So welcome to this presentation on graphing an ordered pair. So let's get started. So we have here an ordered pair. We have 3, and 7. So 3 represents the x coordinate, while 7 represents y coordinate. So this is how you graph a point. So as what we can see, we have here a Cartesian plane where the vertical line here represents the y-axis and the horizontal line here represents the x-axis. So to plot a point, you always need to start at the origin or at 0, 0, right in the middle of the graph, so right here. In order to plot a point, if the x-coordinate is positive, you have to move to the right, so right here. But if the x-coordinate is negative, move to the left. So think of a number line. Starting at 0, if you move or go to the right, it's positive numbers. But if you go to the left, it's negative numbers. Same thing for y coordinate. So if y coordinate is positive, move upward. But if y coordinate is negative, you have to move downward. So we have here some ordered pairs. So we have 4, 2, -6, 5, 1, -6, 0, 5, -5, -3, and 0, 0. So let's see where they are located in the Cartesian plane. So first we have 4, 2. So as what we can see in the Cartesian plane, ordered pair 4, 2 is located here. Why? Because 4 represents the x-coordinate and it is positive, so we have to count from the origin to the right of x-axis. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 2 represents the y-coordinate and it is also positive, so we have to move upwards. So we have 1 and 2. That's why 4, 2 is located over here. So we have here -6 and 5. So let's see where -6 and 5 located in our Cartesian plane. So here, -6, 5 is located over here. Since -6 represents our x-coordinate and +5 represents the y-coordinate, so we have here -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since it is negative, we have to move to the left of x-axis. Then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upward. Since 5 is positive, so we have to move upward of y-axis. So we have also 1 and -6. So let's see. Oh, so here is 1 and -6. This point is located here. Since 1 is our x-coordinate, so we have to count 1 since it is positive, so we have to move to the right of the x-axis. Then -6 represents the y-coordinate. Since it is negative, we have to count 6 downward. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have here the 1 and negative 6. So next is we have 0 and 5. 0 and 5 is located over here. Since 0, our x coordinate, is located here at the center, then our y coordinate is 5. So since it is positive, we have to move upward of our y axis. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So 0, 5 is located over here. Next, we have negative 5 and negative 3. So negative 5 and negative 3, we have here. Negative 5 are x coordinate, and it is negative. We have to move to the left of our x axis. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 since it is negative. Then negative 3, it is also negative, our y coordinate. Then we have to move downward of our y axis. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So negative 5 and negative 3 is located over here. And lastly, we have 0, 0. So 0, 0 looks familiar, right? So 0, 0 is simply located at the origin, since it is our point of origin. Since x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0, it is the point of origin. That's how we graph a point in the Cartesian plane. It's easy, right? So I hope you've learned something from this lesson. God bless and goodbye.